Alright, Eastern Europe snowstorm number 2. I'll zoom in a little bit, you can see the road. There we go, the car's going by. Snow, wind blowing. It snowed for 4 days, quit for 1 day, now it's back again. We're supposed to get like, I think 35-40 centimeters on top of what we already have. I don't know if you can see that wind and stuff blowing all the snow. It's like getting a tornado and then taking a few days break, and then here comes another tornado. You can see the snow caked up on the pine trees there from the other snow. But I don't know how many days it's going to snow this time. You can see it piled up on my air conditioning unit. You can get a good look at the sky there. I hope you can see the snow falling, but anyways, here goes somebody walking. Yeah, this is snowstorm number 2 on top of snowstorm number 1. Thanks for watching.